In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add first line indent in Google Docs. So let's get started. Firstly, if you want to do this, let's say on this first paragraph, I'm going to select it. And then there are two ways how you can do this. You can do it firstly by clicking on this blue square or rectangle. And then you're going to drag it to the right side. And you can see the number. The most used one is 0.5 inch. And as you can see, this is going to create this first line indent like this. So of course you can customize this whenever you want. You can make this larger, smaller. If you want to use this for all of your paragraphs, let's say you want to press Command A or Control A on your keyboard to select everything. And the second way how you can add those indents is by clicking on Format. Then from the drop down you can find Align and Indent. Here you can find some options and we are looking for indent options. And here where it says special indent, you want to select this and you can choose also hanging indent, first line or none. So if you click on first line, then you're gonna type here 0.5. You can click on apply and it's going to apply for all of your paragraphs. And of course you can do it also if you hover your mouse on this ruler at the top of your page. So you can drag this square. Now if you want to do hanging indent, it's really simple, but you need to drag both a triangle and rectangle. So you want to select it, you can drag it to the right, maybe to 0.5, and then you're gonna drag this square to the left, and this is going to create a hanging indent. So, and this is going to be all for this video. So just press Command A and you can drag this rectangle on this ruler to 0.5, and this is going to create this first line indent in Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.